Hello everyone, Eugene with Ionic here. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about renovations of existing facilities. Two different projects that we're engaged in right now. One of them is a 26,000 square foot, nearly 100-year-old warehouse facility. We were provided with a digital scan of the entire facility, and the owner expected that was going to be good enough. So we went back in and did some as-built dimensions, some verify to make sure everything was accurate, and we were about 94% correct, but there were some things that were off, and that was really critical that we made sure that the drawings that we're working off of for our consultants in construction were 100% accurate. And so just be careful about that, using others' technology or even other architects or engineers as-built drawings. It's important to make sure that they're truly accurate. The second project we have is a restaurant conversion that we're working on, and the client wanted to provide their own as-built information, and we said, okay, that's fine, but you're going to be responsible for all the details and the errors that are there, if there are any. And this has a lot of kitchen equipment, and so to the inch is very critical in how some of the hood equipment works in place. So again, they chose not to do that and hire us to go ahead and do that work, just so that we are all 100% accurate on that. So that's our lesson that we share to our clients, is making sure that the as-built conditions on existing facilities are critically important. And so we want to make sure that way. And that's the Ionic way. Thanks so much. And you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.